Hello everybody, BB Essentials here, and I want to thank you for coming to our channel. First, if it's your first time here, I would suggest that you subscribe, hit the bell, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a couple comments for us and any other advice or suggestion for our next videos. Also, I would also like you to go ahead and find us on Instagram, Twitters, and so on. We would love you to follow us on Facebook. You will find us at BB Essentials 1. If you have any questions or concern or any comments for us, our emails will be listed below the video as well. Feel free to hit us there and then we will respond to you. Again, thank you for coming to my channel where we are going to show some products that we are making from inspiration from many DIYs and orders. We will make sure we give them credit obviously, but I will also ask you guys to stay till the end of the video where we're also going to have videos where we created our own products too. So any questions, don't forget our emails will be listed below, and then let's have fun. First, I hope you guys see all the tools we put on the side where we part them, get them ready. We use a special glue. This one right here, E6000, which is very good. And we have the glue gun, which you have to be plugged to stay hot. We have the glue sticks. We have a couple of things we put together where we're gonna get this ready. So stay with us, let's have fun, and we're gonna glue a couple of spots there, there. We're gonna put the glass that we took off back on there. Make sure you wipe it after that because you want it to stay clean. Here's another fun part. After we're done gluing it, we will be making sure we wipe the screen, the glass again. We're gonna wipe the glass, and then we're gonna put some beautiful sparkles on it where we're gonna have some glues. We're gonna put the glue on the glass and then sparkle it. We're gonna do it 3 times because we want to make sure it's very pretty. So go ahead, let's see. Watch me do it. Look at that. Watch BB doing it. All right, sparkles, sparkles, sparkles. Let's have some fun now. All right, BB's almost done sparkling this glass, and then now we're gonna measure. She's going to measure to make sure she knows where to put things. You don't want to just throw them everywhere. And then after measuring it, you want to make sure you glue the parts together because the glass doesn't just stay on the wood like that. She's gonna put the glasses together. She's gluing it now. See how she's carefully going through the lines, making sure she follows the measurements, and she's going to glue the silver part in there. Yep, right there. And then she has the wood staples where she stapled them. She's just gonna show us again how she put the glues, which she had already put down there. So here you go. Then she's gonna show you that's where the glass go, but she wanna wait for it to dry a little bit. She did cut the foam, like you know the noodles. They call it the noodles. She cut them, and we did the video, and for some reason they didn't wanna come out the way I wanted them, so I didn't show her cutting the noodles. I'll make sure next time to get all the angles for you guys to see everything. And now she's doing the beautiful finish of the noodle where she has the cover and she's gonna put it in there. I can see that the glass is coming along already. She already glue it here. Wipe it down because you want to constantly cleaning your product because you don't want any stain in there. And then she's gonna show us what she's gonna be doing now with the frames that she had got ready in the beginning. She gluing some parts of them to put in the middle of the glass. As you can see, the glass is already coming along. There are different angles you can put this glass. You can put it on the wall, you can put it on top of a bed frame, you can make it different ways. She's almost done with it. We're gonna have it sit for a day to dry it up, and she wanna make sure like she gets the whole finish of it. In the next video, you're gonna show you some other products we that Bebe got together. Let's show you some videos of how it looks on the wall. Look at that, beautiful, right? And we have other videos of how it looks in the bedroom. So I hope you guys enjoy. And see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I love you guys.